Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning. Not a cloud in the sky. Just gorgeous. Today, we're going to get out of the shop and go for a car show. First one for me this year and the first one for the stroke box. You'll notice there's a strap hooked to the hitch. You'll also notice there's a lot of grinding and dirt debris. I don't know if you can even see that underneath there. That is because my driveway is kind of steep, and I went for my first official drive with it yesterday, and both in and out of the driveway we grinded hard, like it stopped me hard. There's one. Not sure if it's picking up very well. There's the other. That was a good grind too. It's cool, it's just a little annoying, so we're gonna see if we can get it out of the driveway without grinding if we strap the tow hitch up. Is this the correct way to fix the problem? No, it absolutely is not. But I'm out of time to do anything today before we leave, so let's just see if it'll work. So it's still scraped, so we'll have to put that on the to-do list. We're gonna have to probably just remove it for now. I'll see what other options we got, but it's probably just gonna get removed for now. One other thing I just noticed is my inner fender well is loose right here. It's not terrible, but it is causing a slight rub on the tire. I'm guessing when we're going, the wind's pushing it over and it's just grazing it. We're not going far today, so hopefully it survives. Well, we're off to the show for the day. We picked up a few friends. We'll go over their cars when we get there, but we got Travis from Customz following us and a few of his rigs, so it should be a great freaking day. That roof is removable. There are little latches. That whole diamond plate will come out. That's freaking cool.
Of course.
Dude, that F1 turned out. Dude.
My practice thing? Oh, yeah.
Dude, that turned out sick. And this is genius.
It's just a garage door track. It goes all the way across, and then I just shove garage door rollers in there and welded them on.
That's amazing. Did you know you were going to do that when you did it?
Yeah, when I was building this whole high-rise thing, I was building it for storage. Because all my other rat-rise, you never have enough storage anymore.
That is thick. I don't know what it's from. Building or something. Holy hell, that's a lot of I-beam. Damn. Damn, that is cool. I wish I had somewhere to work on something that big. My God. Shell's car. Hi, Shell. I believe this is the wrench for the future build from last year. They chopped it. Different axle.
You got a skelly clip.
You can see their chop line here. They had a tech school build this with a bunch of young kids. Made the doors work and everything. Let's take a peek on the inside. Got a wheelbarrow for an engine cover. Must have been a rough ride down here this morning. They fell over back there. Built in a week. Pretty cool. I did miss it, but this thing has a flathead 6-cylinder in it, and it does run and it does drive. How cool is this old Dodge? Super sweet. Love the old dump box. Look, it's even got side dump options. Pretty freaking cool. Bye! Well, we're home. She made the cruise back. We didn't do an outro there, and I didn't get a whole lot of footage there because it's car shows and I never really know what to film. But we had to leave. We had some things going on. We got to get taken care of, so I boogied home because that's just how life works. But at the end of the day, none of that matters because the strokebox is back on the road for 2025. Hell yeah. Let's put some miles on this baby. Suppose I should get my daughter out of the car before we end it though. She needs help at the door. There we go. Say goodbye, Carly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.